myself, Dr. S.K. Bhatia, working as an associate professor in School of Electrical and Communication Sciences, JSPM University, and also working as the in charge of the admission cell at the JSPM University. At the JSPM University, it has been established in 2023 under the able leadership of Honorable Founder Secretary Dr. T.J. Samant sir, our Chancellor Dr. Ravi Joshi sir, and our Vice Chancellor Dr. B.B. Ahuja sir. We are proud to say that we are one of the first universities in India to implement National Education Policy 2020. Now, under the National Education Policy, we are focusing on interdisciplinary education. That means our student from BTech in computer science can not only pursue a degree or minors course in robotics, but even our art student, that is who's pursuing a degree in BA or maybe even a BSc degree, if he wants, he can pursue a minors degree in robotics and even AIML. We have not only the normal courses in engineering and other courses, but we have some specialized courses that we are offering. Like our BTech in Food Technology is one of the well-known programs that we are offering. Now, we have also started with the BSc in Biotechnology field that is there. Even in BA, we are now offering the B Design degree in the fashion technology that is there. Apart from these courses, we have all the engineering courses which are available. We have computer science with the specialization in AIML is there, data science specialization is there. In mechanical, we are offering degrees. As you can see that we have robotics state-of-the-art infrastructure. So we offer the degrees with the specialization in AIML and robotics in case of mechanical also. So that is one of the things that we are offering. In civil engineering, we are having an association with PCRF. That is one of the institutes, pioneering institutes in the civil construction industry. So in every field, we are tying up. So with these things in mind, JSPM University and JSPM Group believes in preparing a student not just for life, but for whole entire duration, because this is what we believe in, and that is why discipline is an important element in JSPM University, and we all believe in that. Thank you so much.